Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another edition of WBE TV, 23rd March 2026. Let's see what we have by way of news. So today, 23rd March 2026, we have no major US news. As always, we use the time between planting that seed and harvest. Poverty loves procrastinating. Now look at our levels for the day. So our bull target is 24,701, PDH 24,660, PDO 24,633, PDC 24,101, PDL 23,971. Our bear target is 23,705, pivot 24,244. And now let's see what we have on the chart. As you can see, we had a strong burst earlier today around 7:04. But as always, the strategy remains the same. Yellow triangle pointing down, you sell. Blue triangle pointing up, you buy. If you're on a call or you're up early and you saw this signal, made a lot of money. A lot of money. As at this point, all we're doing is waiting for another signal. So price is starting to kind of consolidate a little bit. So we just wait and see what happens. Okay, so as usual, size accordingly, appropriately, so you can hold your trades during the pullback. It's Monday, 23rd March 2026, beginning of a new week. Let's make some money together. Happy feasting, everyone. Those screenings in the box. We got our box. Morning, morning. Trump to Fox Business. Deal with Iran could be 5 days or sooner. Turkey, Egypt, and Pakistan have been passing messages between the US and Iran over the past 2 days in an effort to de-escalate.
Be right back, guys.
Because question, that A40 move, would that have been a lower boundary buy, or would you have let that one go? Kool-Aid, what do you think? After I think it's a back. Let me start. Okay.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good. How about you?
Right, let's see what we got. I'd be careful up here going into 6:30. If we fail to close above 6:30, this market could start to sell off again.
Okay.
Just a clear strip and structure pattern, right? If you look at the pump from the news, it's gonna swing high and then you get a swing low right close to sell side liquidity about 344 and then the high about 708, right? We pull back down 476, push into the 700s, reject, and then pull back down into 24,341. So if you can't make it above 617, 630, you then pull back to seek liquidity, right? Which could be essentially to fill the entire gap before you make an attempt to go back up. Yeah, pull up here.
That 5 minute bag up.
Yeah, you probably come back to fill that gap. So
Oh,
I'd love to see price pump through these 630s if we're gonna go up. Otherwise, we could just reverse, keep rolling over.
gotcha.
That was it. 55.
5 to 9.
See, the delta is starting to go negative up here. See if they can do it. Overall, the market is still bearish. Anyway, right? Regardless of these pumps, they've got bounce type of shit.
Let's see, so
Still is.
POC at the price.
Sorry, so what? Oh, PLC.
Yeah.
Am I watching the PLC? Oh, are you using the not last line, the other one? Developing PLC.
Pardon?
I said you're using the developing PLC.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. I was wondering when my had to go up because I'm in the family. That's why.
The 2 minutes one is still very far down. The 30 seconds is price right.
Yeah, I'm playing off the 5 minute today because 5 and 30 seconds is what I'm playing off of. Just because the moves are candles are pretty big, so kind of trying to stay in trades a bit longer. So we're just playing with the 5 minute time frame. So we're gonna try that level again. Right, try the 630 again. Go for it. Delta is bullish. See, we are seeing a conviction zone, right? So if you feel, you're swing high, swing low. We're seeing conviction right now. So on a 5 minute time frame, should be the same mode. So we're pulling up into, which is also the, you got bull target up 702. You already got hit, but see these targets on a daily time frame. That is on a daily, so geez, do we have to also wait? Maybe looking to retest Asian high.
630 seems.
Yeah, I'll take some profit here. I would book some profit. Because we gotta lift through this. We need to lift through these 630s. Don't keep pumping. I'm gonna move to its targets. Oh, your daily targets customer. I don't see my ADR though.
Pardon?
I said, I don't see my ADR. I'm trying to see if I blocked the about 15 minutes. So.
Getting exhaustion with 30 seconds.
Yeah, be careful here. Wondering how these forex props are money. It's, I don't know if they can supply it. It's wild, right? When you don't have, it's not like features like trailing, you have trailing drawdown, and you have such huge max losses, right? You can literally trade your daily loss every day. Kind of never blow. So it's kind of wild.
Which accounts?
Forex.
Oh, okay.
Any account. But now I might have pushed myself further from a payout.
Making too much money.
Yeah. And, so I took a trade on gold last evening, and I set a target. And this is where Forex gets really annoying, manipulation. And it flashed through my target. And it didn't stop me out. And so, ridiculous amount. It literally pushed me up to a 4K on the day. So now I have to make $40,000 to get a payout. That's kind of stupid. So, I don't know what to do at this point. So fuck it. I'll just keep trading the account because I'll not get a payout out of it. And I will have to set more trade tools on the 100Ks, maybe make like $100 a day, $50 a day. Right, trade like 0.01. Those 50Ks will probably not see a payout. There's no way I'm gonna trade an account up to 50K because I know for sure it's not gonna get paid out. It's my time. I'll keep trading it for fun, but I'm not really gonna waste too much time. But yeah, if you guys haven't, you should definitely hop onto those FXPs. They've got some really good deals. That's why I'm entertaining them. All right, so the market is pulling back real strong. Coming off that 630 level, one give that level. We're coming back. We're probably gonna come back into the box, pulling back down probably 520s, 524, and if we hold 520s, we could bounce back up to go higher. If not, we're gonna go low to close out the gap. So we'll probably push all the way back down to 281. Just has to get through 340. Below 340, you'll come down to 281. And then below 281, you'd come back down all the way to sorry, needs to get through 550, and then below 550, you would then come back down 470, and then below 470, you're going to come back down 80, and then 280 will hand over to 24,200. That's the move to the downside, and that move is active right now, coming off 630s. So I'm out of those buys.
Big.
A lot of buys currently playing sales. Also tight, nothing more than 30 points. If you miss 630, you should be in at 2600, right? If you miss 2600, then you kind of gotta wait for price to get below. Late though. Yeah, probably for price to get below 490. Why not sell? Be below 490 because this could, it just came into a 5-minute fair value gap, so it could bounce off that gap and up again, right? Which was 540s, right? So you want to see price come down below at least say, if you're gonna add to the sell, at least the 500s. Like there's a room to clear that gap. Otherwise it could bounce here. Bounce out of that gap.
Let's second about also based off the box oversold, starting to push up. On the 2 minutes, it's not there yet though.
Yeah, I think you get a push. You get a push a little bit lower. I won't be interested in buying again until the bulls take out 640 retest. So take out 630, retest 630, and then push. Okay, that's what I'd look for to buy. Need a break and retest on that one for continuation. So we get a nice rejection up here, and you go for sales. You'd want to put a tight stop right above the 640. We're looking at sell anywhere between 600 down to 550. So I think this just gives you a nice re-entry. If you miss the first entry, this just gives you a nice entry. Get some follow through. Coming down. Go. That should be up about 10 points to get to the re-entry. 9 points. Looking good. So we get continuation. You can see some follow through. I don't like that we're kind of double bottoming here at this fair value gap. Maybe get some follow through down to want to see some follow through back into the box. See. So 500s and then 470s. See that. Question. Yeah, break for this 550s, then we can keep rolling. Very little volume at the moment though, so we won't see any acceleration until we get close to the open. There's not step up for one. I think the breaks are just gonna flash. We're gonna continue to get in. So those are the two levels I'm watching though. Downside right? You're sitting right at the entry level, 550 for another entry if you're looking for another sell, with 10 points in profit though. And then upside would be 630 to 640, right? HS 630 hold, continue to pump. Downside, we're going all the way down to if I look again. 24,200. The downside is my target. And it has to go through all the other levels, right?
Yeah.
Has to kind of break through everything else to get down to that level. But that's my target. 200 is the downside. Upside, it's kind of anybody's game. There's no telling how far high this thing can go if it decides to pop. No more news this morning.
Nope.
All right. The two boys doing their big chests all day, huh? What's the time? Like 48 hours, right? That's 48 hours. Why does Trump keep saying he's got a deal and they keep saying they got no deal? They're not talking about shit. What the hell's going on?
He's trying to control the narrative. Then again, somebody from Wall Street probably just made a phone call. Hey, I need you guys to fill my orders. Send a tweet.
It's very interesting that with all the technology in the freaking world, nobody has a pipeline going wrong. Freaking, what's it called again? Is it a Gulf or Pass, whatever it is?
Almost.
I just find it weird that nobody has a pipeline going around that thing.
It's all about experience. You want the quick, easy route.
I get that part, but there's gotta be a pipeline somewhere. Might not move as much, but it should be moving something. Alright, let's see if this thing wants to melt. Should be about 20 points right now. 10 minutes away from the open, so just set your stops to entry. I'm actually looking. But if you took the 630s, you're up about 100 points. So plenty to look in there. If you just took the trade right around 560, 570, 20 points, 30 points, upside entry. Worth marking up. Maybe. Eventually we take the profit. Sit up. Oh boy. That's a nice 200-point drop. We go. Come on. get those through those 500. So. Check. There we go. Alright. So first target 500 is done. Do we get 470? You get close below this to get to 470. So you can take some partials here. I'm gonna do just that. Look in, we either flash through or we rebound. They should be locked in. Ooh. Okay, that's possible. I'm going to the open, looking for 470. Let's go. Your bag should be really heavy by now. Last entry 560, right? That was the last entry 560. You should be doing pretty good. Pretty damn good. Let's go. 80s. Then we get 70.
I know.
Give me the level. Let's go, baby. Yo. Do it. 470 is done. 76 is what you got. We should get 470. There you go. Look it in. Look it in. Oof. Big drop for 50s. Let's keep rolling. Keep rolling to the downside. Go.
If you saw the box I drew, 26, we got a sell right below it.
Yo,
If you were late for the entry, it's supposed to be skipped.
I don't know. Nobody should have been late though, right? Market came back, gave you an opportunity to get back in, gave you all the trades, right? So nobody should have been late to this trade. Didn't profit, just broken it. Alright, I'm out. I'm out of that one. Not bad. I'm gonna take a buy here. Just a quick buy. And if we get above 520, I'll hold it. If we reject 520, I'll close. I'm in buys of 65. But we are rejecting 20's 520 area, so I do want to see what it does here. If it rolls back below 580, I'm gonna close it. The 30-second bar comes back below 580, I'm out. It needs to behave in the pump. Back to 520.
480.
Yep, gets below 480. 30 seconds gets below 480, I'm out. Entry 460. Looking for 520. Yeah. Quick and easy, quick and easy. We're going lower. Let's see now. Put me in a bounce. Don't stop me and bounce. That's not easy. But whatever. Yeah, that's easy. I'm not gonna chase this. I had a really nice entry. If it decides to break above 520 and go, it's gonna go without me. Just because after that rejection and then coming back down below 580, I'm expecting price to push a little. But if it decides to take off without me, I'm not playing. Staying out. Go lower. Oh. I'd love to see it go below. Excuse me. Below this level. I'd love to see it come down under 430s. Delta is still negative, so I think we will push. So I can push to the downside. Maybe another flash. Okay, let's go. Like, yeah, no.
You know the market's like, I gave you all the moves in the morning before market open.
Yeah, make your money. Give you the money. We had one good play rate. The open. We have 630. I think we do come down a little lower. Maybe another 100 points to the downside.
Another what?
Another 100 points.
Yeah, I think so. It's not showing any conviction unless we get a strong.
Not really. Yeah, nothing really strong unless you get back 520. You'd have to close 520, bounce and retest for me to get interested. Number. Otherwise. Okay, go show up.
Read a conviction, then. This might be it.
I can read this.
Ninja
We
screwed
just
me.
broke. Huh?
Ninja screwed me.
What's it doing? It's freezing?
I was in a trade. It hits my TP, and then it gave me a reverse trade.
What kind of crap is that? Really?
So it gets into my profit.
Yeah, more contracts on a reverse trade, no stop loss. Yeah, more. Anyway.
TFP's not taking anything.
Messed up.
Alright, so we pushed above 520 and lost the 520s again. Let's see what we want to do here. It all seems to be set into the plate. But if they can't hold above 520, doesn't look good. But seconds this screaming possible reversal. About 520 is key. They seem to be holding those 520s. Let's see what this is. Maybe not bad does. Bears seem to be exhausted. Rather, bulls, sorry, seem to be exhausted. So I think lost 520 again. So if we lose 515,
Too many POCs at price right now.
you took 515, you're deep in profit. So add more stops to entry.
Ghost doesn't
Like
play.
that.
Very decisive.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. You gotta move quick. That was a nice rejection coming off that bar, right? So again, a reclaim of 520 is gonna go retest 550, right? Now what you want to see is a break above 550 to keep pushing higher, or break below 515 to go for a sell again. Get above 550, I'll look to buy again. You get below 520, 515, I'll sell. Selling 515, I'm buying 550. I'm only playing what the market is giving, right? Right now, the market is just not giving much. All right, you should be in those 550s, 560, move your stops to entry. 10 points. Stops to entry, take some partials. You gotta be really quick because that's what the market is doing, right? I'm probably gonna call one more trade and call it good if this continues to be the norm.
Yeah.
I can't
Like,
continue trading this bullshit.
Ninja is acting up on me. I'm not playing games.
Alright. We're gonna have to be very patient for the next move. Right? We have to be patient for the next move. So you took 550s, that was a 10-point move. Can't seem to really push beyond those 560s. So let's see what the retest does here. If we close below 550, we hold. Okay. Going again for a sell if we get below 515. I don't like these buys anymore because of the way structure is forming. It's giving bearish vibes. Let's see.
Candles are humongous.
So what now?
I said the candles are humongous. You see a candle on
Yeah,
a small candle and it's massive.
yeah. That's why I'm trading 30-second time frame. Trading this kind of market on higher time frames is probably gonna get you screwed, right?
Yeah.
So backing at 515. Let's see where this goes. Oh,
Something's about to happen.
gotta be quick. All right, 515. Let's see if we can roll over to back to those 470s. Get back above 520. I'll cut it. Watching this 30-second candle. First 30-second candle close back above 520. I'm gonna cut. Alright, I'm out. We can only go strong. Let's see if I can get a better entry. I'll see anything on this proxy right now. Let's say close below 530. I'll take a re-entry. I'm going off of the higher time frame structure, 5-minute structure, which looks bearish on 30-second structure. We look like we're setting up for a move. Which I do want to see us break 550, go to 560, retest, and then bounce to go higher back into those 630s. If we can't do that, looking for a sell below 530. That is again close below 530. I'll take a sell again. All right, I mean for sells. Market's moving fairly quick, so 10 points protect. So I get 520, I'm protecting. Almost there, 520 is done. Stops at break even. Come on, just push through. Do it. Not again. Break even. Fucking bullshit. Alright. Last trade. 530s, I'm going back in. I'm out. 10-point stops. Not do anything more than that. Going back in. This level might destroy my account. 10-point stop, I'm out.
I was about to say, you said that was your last one, two trades ago.
Fucking A. Yeah. Just keep going back in. The level looks juicy. I've milked it a few times, but now she's just breaking out and taking off.
Yeah.
Again, 30-second looked bullish, like I said. Just too stubborn to play the bullish. It doesn't look like it's gonna leave. It's gonna survive. Let's see. Let's go see. Trying to go. I also want to retest 630s. Yeah, took one too many extra trades. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
There's some comments. 942 on Iran. If they carry through, we will end the conflict.
Funny news coming in.
Oh.
All right. Let's see. Yeah, I can go. It's like come back to retest 630s. I'm watching 600 for buys and 560 for sells.
Trump said they called, I didn't call. And my ninja is frozen. Good thing I didn't stop trading. This is a whole mess.
You guys have Tradovit up when you're trading? When Ninja freezes, do you switch to Tradovit?
Yeah, most times I have it up, but sometimes I don't because I have so many things running on my system. It's sometimes.
Yeah, but even how about Tradovit mobile or stuff like that? You should have your mobile.
Yeah, makes sense.
All right, 560s. Here we go. If you want to roll for this time.
2 minute POC. 2 minute POC. Careful.
What about the 2 minute POC?
It's pulled up again.
Okay. That should be a good thing for my bearish. This is right. Or not.
Yeah, it could easily continue pushing, or it could just reverse and come. But it's still below price though.
I think they want to pump this and pump this.
Yeah, I think with the news that just came out, they'll continue pumping. So, might not be a strong pump, but I think they'll pump.
Well, the OSOB warned us. We're just too stubborn to listen.
Yep. 2 minutes OSB is not there yet. Probably could get to the PDO.
30 seconds was right there. Okay, let's see. What we got? It's gonna close above this. I will entertain buys. Reject that. Reject 600. I'm gonna entertain sells. But if it rejects and we close back below 580. I don't know, I'm being a little bit stubborn. So, house money being given back here. At some point I gotta stop being stubborn and follow the trend.
That's a voice of reason when you need it.
Tell me about that.
Quinn, you there?
Hearing the voice of reason, he's just not listening to it.
Okay, what I missed. What is Ghost over there talking about me? I know Ghost. What I do now, Ghost?
I need you to yell at Ghost.
Ghost, what did you do this morning?
Give back all the money that I just made this morning.
I should give you back all the money you made this morning? You should be giving me some of that you made this morning.
I'll give it back just a little bit. Just a little bit of house money. Just being stubborn.
So give me
Back
some.
in my head. Stuck on this bearish move. I think she's gonna give though. Okay, so I'm in 580. If I lose this one, I'm shutting this shit down and I'm gone. In 580.
So you're saying?
Put my stop at 605. There we go. Stops at break even. 30 points. Let's go. Should go through that fucking level, you dumb.
Oh, what a Monday morning.
I know. It's gonna stop me out. Fucking it. Alright, stopped out. There's some boom. I know it's gonna go down.
Close
I
everything
know it.
out. Close
No, we're back in that trade. Fuck this shit.
Wait, what's he doing?
it. It's going back.
I got back in at 580.
Go find a toilet.
Ghost is doing everything he says he shouldn't do at this point.
You clean it. I need you to find a toilet. Clean.
I'm back in 580 because it needs to drop, and it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop like a freaking rock.
We need to go walk the dog.
I'm not doing that.
Go for a walk.
You know how cold it is out here? It's freaking cold. I'm not.
Really? I guess because it's warm here, I'm thinking everyone else is warm.
Hold on here.
Let's see. So on the stream, YouTube stream, we got 3 signals, 2 buys, 1 sell. First
Tell me
buy.
this thing's gonna drop. What are you doing? Recap already? Okay.
No, I'm not doing it.
Do your thing.
I'm just putting the entries there.
Alright.
Yeah, looks like I might want to drop. But this level is holding.
It's gonna drop. It's just not fast enough. It's taking a shit time. It's gonna piss me off. Because I'm gonna turn this shit off. And then it's gonna drop like a rock. There we go. Alright, that's it. Can't keep playing this ping pong game. Stupid game. I'm done. Done for the day.
I think they still want to push this thing bullish. Slowly but surely. Although the 2 minutes is almost overbought, right? So we could start coming down.
I like bulls if you can come back down and take liquidity right around 2400s and as low as 24200s. Right? Then we can be assured that these sellers are out of the market and done. Right? When you have these big buffs just left in the market, I'm not buying this. I mean, you can see how it's moving. It's in a channel, right? We're just stuck in this upward channel, right? It's kind of hard for me to trust that that bullish when price is moving this way. You've not really gotten a strong breakout, right? So it's, and I know we're probably waiting for news. Somebody should drop some silly news bulletin about everything being calm and shit like that. Again. Maybe another big ass breakout, but I would have loved to see us sweep these liquidity lows before we can start to make a move to the upside. So I really can't trust them. Not doing it. I'm gonna look the other way till later, till tomorrow.
Pardon?
Said, but I'm gonna look the other way till tomorrow. Done for the day. But keep going at it. I'm gonna keep playing with this 580 level. Okay. Man, a lot with a 530 level. Just can't seem to lift and push.
When in doubt, you can always depend on 1030.
Yeah.
Ping, ping, pong. I said, can't trust those buys. But I can't keep breaking my rules. Ugh, that 580 is painful right now. I'm good. I'm going back to bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Fuck that shit. Painful right now. I could have done a lot. Like, oh shit. You can fucking kidding. Alright. You know what? I'll catch you guys. Fuck this shit. I can't do this. If I stay on, we'll get banned from YouTube because I'm just gonna keep casting. Look at that! Look at that fucking shit! 50 points. Oh. Oh. Ew. What the hell? That's not cool. It's going to roll over. Oh man, it's going to roll over. That's not. You better not. Better catch a beat and bounce back up. That is annoying. By the time I wake up, it'll be at 24,200. Oh boy. You know, those TSL lines are crazy. You seen the news? Atlanta is backed up like crazy.
Possible easing in the Middle East conflict rippled through markets, with oil falling and stocks rising after Trump said he would postpone strikes on Iranian energy infrastructure, following what he's called productive talks. Whoa. Back to video.
This is crazy.
It's nasty. Nasty chopper.
Juliet, how you know it this morning?
It was good, and then it got bloody.
Oh, really? Oh, Lord. I got in late, like after 8. Maybe I was in and out, and as soon as I meet somebody, I just turn it off.
Yeah, I was up, but I was like, I didn't hit my profit target for the day, so I let it run.
Okay.
Then it gave it all back
Yeah.
in.
All that choppiness.
But I was like, I kind of want to close it, but I was like, nah, I gotta be consistent. Because there's some times I closed, like last week, Tuesday, I cannot believe it.
And it took off.
It took off. I was so pissed at myself for closing early.
I know.
Yeah, it's gotta be consistent.
Ghost has stopped trading finally.
I think he's cleaning the toilet.
Went for a walk.
Yeah, he probably went for a walk.
What happened?
I said, yeah, he probably went for a walk.
It's not easy.
He said it's very cold, so I don't know.
Listen, I was in these bars and it kept taking me out and then going. I'm like, you little motherfucker. And now she's taking off. She goes in, goes back, and keeps on going.
Yeah, I can't deal with that choppiness. It's just not my kind of market.
No, it's not. But
yeah,
it's Monday, and if I want to get paid, I gotta be consistent because I am tired of not getting paid.
Well, let's see, it's 10:18. Guess it's about time we call it a day on the YouTube stream.
You could definitely say that.
Let's do a quick recap. So, we got our first signal at 9:32, buy signal. Then subsequent candle gave us a sell signal, so we closed that trade at a loss of 165 ticks. Then we took the sell. Sorry, the first buy gave us a loss of 169 ticks. Then we took the sell at 9:34, which was the next candle, and that's also yielded a loss of 165 ticks. But the next candle gave us a buy. Right, so we got signals at 9:32, 9:34, 9:36. And then the buy we got at 9:36 is currently still running in profit, 613 ticks. So if you take your 165 and your 169, basically 334 ticks, and then you take your 613 ticks that you're in profit right now, you're up at the very least 280, 250 ticks. Let's say 200. So 2 losses to start. Fair trade, made you the money, you're good to go. So, like I said from the beginning, as long as you use the correct contract sizes, you're going to make money no matter what. Okay, it's 10:20, and this is where we call it a day on the live stream, the YouTube stream. Thanks for joining us. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, invite your friends, colleagues to join you in making money. And we'll see you again tomorrow, same time, Once again, this is WBE TV signing out. Have a good day, everyone.
Sure. Catch you guys.
Yeah, one more thing. If you'd like to join us in the premium channel, don't forget to reach out to WBE Master on Telegram or Discord for access. Good day, everyone.